Great day. Welcome back to GTT Commercial Tires, your go-to source for everything tires related. I'm Kamar Johnson, and today we're getting into the best tire maintenance practices for your truck tires. Tires are one of the most crucial components on your truck aside from your engine and your transmission. Proper tire maintenance not only ensures your safety, but also enhances the longevity and performance of your tires. First and foremost, check your truck tires pressure. Overinflated, underinflated tires can lead to uneven wear, decreased sidewall integrity, which it can increase the tire blowing out and obviously give you poor fuel efficiency. When checking your truck tires pressure, use an actual gauge. Please stop doing this. Check it every week and definitely before each trip when in operation. Regularly inspect your tread depth. Tires with not enough tread can lead to reduced traction, especially in wet or icy conditions. Use a tread depth gauge to measure the tread, not a finger or a coin. The minimum tread depth for commercial truck tires is 430 seconds for steer tires and 230 seconds for drive and trailer tires. If your tread is worn down to these levels, it's time to replace the tire to ensure optimum traction and safety, of course. Another critical practice is performing regular visual inspections. You always want to check for signs of damage, such as cuts or cracks, bulges, or embedded objects. These issues can lead to tire failure if not addressed promptly. Along with checking for damage, you'll want to look for the tire's DOT date on the sidewall, the last 2 digits. Ideally, you want the tire to be no more than 4 years old. After having any work done to your tires, you should always look over the technician's work and make sure your tires were properly installed, meaning directional steer tires are facing the correct way, and on a dual assembly, both wheels should sit flush to each other. You should also check to make sure that all lugs were placed back on the wheel, are evenly torqued, and there are no broken or loose studs. As a general rule of thumb, lugs should be retorqued after 500 miles because we always want our tires rolling with us, not away from us. Rotating your tires helps to even out wear patterns and extend their lifespan. For commercial trucks, it's generally recommended to rotate tires every 6,000 to 8,000 miles. Follow the rotation pattern recommended by your tire advisor. Proper wheel alignment is crucial for preventing uneven tire wear and improving handling and fuel efficiency. Misaligned wheels can cause your truck to pull to one side, leading to premature tire wear. So be sure to have your wheel alignment checked regularly and adjusted as needed, especially after any significant impacts or if you notice uneven wear patterns on your tires. Balancing your tires is another key practice. Unbalanced tires can cause vibrations, uneven wear, and strain on your truck's suspension. If you are experiencing vibrations, visit your tire dealer to check your original balance solution and make sure it's still properly functioning. There are a few different methods used to balance tires, and I'll make a more in-depth video about those techniques, so stay tuned. Using an accurate tire balancing technique ensures that the weight is evenly distributed around the tire, providing a smoother and safer ride. Finally, don't forget about proper tire storage. If you have spare tires or seasonal tires, store them in a cool, dry place away from direct sunlight and chemicals. Proper storage helps prevent dry rotting, deterioration of the tire's compounds, and extends the tire's life overall. By following these tire maintenance practices, you can ensure your commercial truck tires perform optimally, last longer, and keep you safe on the road driving. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tire maintenance tips and tutorials. Safe travels, happy trucking, and we appreciate you rolling with GTT.